Hi, my name is Brett Hill. I am the Engineering Project Manager here at Alauda Aeronautics, and I'm helping to deliver with a wonderfully talented team the Airspeeder Mk3 for the EXA Series leading on to 2021 and 2022. 2 weeks ago now we headed out for the first time and we successfully flew 2 speeders simultaneously in the air. In the last month we've been really focused on delivering 2 speeders flying in the air simultaneously. Not only do you have to have 2 airworthy speeders, 2 trained pilots, but you also have to have the RF design of the system correct, because if you get interference between the control systems, it can be a disaster. We did a lot of testing on the ground, obviously before we got in the air, because at the end of the day, we don't ever fly something not knowing what's going to happen. So we always test, simulate to make sure that when we put it in the air, we know to the best of our abilities what's exactly going to happen. So the test went very well. What we predicted was going to happen happened. So it's a massive achievement for the team. We've worked really diligently, really hard for a long time now. And so for them to be successful like this and to achieve this, it's a great step on our road to racing, but also an achievement personally for each and every one of them.
Huge milestone, 2 speeders, 2 Mk3s in the air at the same time. This is a breakthrough for us, and it's the beginning of racing, so it signifies a huge turning point for us. There are a lot of flying car companies around the world. There are a lot of people building VTOLs, which is great. I mean, this is part of the industry that we're looking to accelerate. But it's pretty magic when you see 2 prototype aircraft like this in the air at the same time. That's kind of a game changer, really. The hurdles that we've overcome to get here, I mean, there have been so many. Getting the technology working, getting the pilots trained up and licensed, getting the operational aspects of just to get the whole crew out here weekend after weekend, day after day, has been tough. We're testing the drag race capability of the vehicle, of the pilots, of the whole crew. Everyone performed spectacularly, so couldn't be happier. Days like today really bring everyone together, and everyone's just happy and excited, and there's a lot of laughter. It's my birthday. This is the best birthday present ever. I didn't realize it was going to kind of hit me so emotionally. It's like, been dreaming of this moment for so long, and now that we're getting so close to seeing racing, and when you actually see both of them in the air simultaneously, it starts to, you get that really weird tingly feeling, you get butterflies. It's a special magic moment.